Yo, what about people that don't know say yeah? No. It's just Lasco. It's just Lasco. Is it me? Yeah, you know, I'm have to shake it up. As me I say, oh you mean people that don't know say your favorite Jamaican YouTuber, Yaadman Etan. I'm coming to you out of.
You know what I'm saying?
Me I forward to you out of quarantine right now. And one thing about quarantine that I have noticed is that people, you know, people in the mood, is it me I said like, you know, oils are building up. You get me? Because, you know, lack of human interaction is going on and, you know, people horny. But I feel like, you know, to be appropriate, we're doing a smash or pass video. A Jamaican smash or pass video, alright? And we're going to be using some dancehall artists and some YouTubers as well. So people them, see it ya, Yaadman smash or pass for the older people in this audience that quite don't understand what is wrong with the youth nowadays. Listen to me, the youth horny, alright? And the youth want to you know, do stuff, alright? And this is the type of stuff that the youth watch on YouTube, so I apologize if you're disgusted and or disappointed by my content. Big up on the damn self.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Alright, so people them know say Yaadman could not do a smash or pass video without the obvious. So let's just get this out of the way. Alright? First person on the list we have Shenseea. Oh my goodness gracious, Shenseea. Oh my gosh. For the people who don't know, right? Yaadman has a big thing for Shenseea, if you get what I mean. I'm pretty sure I know the answer already, but look here, Shenseea does. Oh, and Shenseea does. Shenseea sing for me for my birthday. Oh my goodness gracious, Shenseea does. Oh, you know what? Let's just get this out of the way. And I don't know the answer. Put Shenseea up on the board. We're swiping right. Shenseea getting smashed. Alright, so we're moving on to, oh my goodness, you guys love the drama, clearly. Alright, so we're moving on to Mama Heavy herself, Jada Kingdom. Now, everybody I wonder, so Yaadman, would you smash Jada Kingdom? No, unfortunately, I can't access Jada Kingdom's you know, Instagram because Jada Kingdom blocked me. Jada, you need to unblock me. You see me? And you know, under normal circumstances, I would, you know, swipe Jada over on the pass. Not because I don't think Jada is attractive. Jada is, oh my goodness. Shucks, Jada, ooh. Can you imagine get like a proper backers from Jada? Oh my gosh. Listen, under normal circumstances, I would want swipe Jada right. You see me, I say smash. But, this is not normal circumstances. Clearly, you know, people associate me with Shenseea and, you know, people are going to be like, Yaadman, you're a hypocrite if you did that. But, you know, recently I've, you know, due to certain circumstances, I've noticed that, you know, there's some growth and maturity happening between these two artists. You see me? So, Jada Kingdom, let's just do this quick before nobody see you. To swiping Jada over to the right, we smash it. Jada, unblock me, you know. Next we have, oh my goodness gracious. This right here is one of my biggest Instagram crushes. Abihail Myrie. Oh, listen, Abihail Myrie is gorgeous and I want to be gorgeous. Get it? Everybody knows that like me live in a Shenseea comment section, but like I feel like Abihail's comment section is like, you know, my getaway. You get me? I say like Abigail is like, you know, I would save her name in my phone when I'm around Shenseea as JPS. I would save her name in my phone as Water Commission. You get me? I say because, you know, man, lay some pipe. Yaadman behave. But the point is like, yo, Abigail is absolutely oh, whoops, I missed a picture that I did not like. Abigail's body is amazing. Is it me? I say her skin is amazing. Is it me? She's just pretty. Is it me? Like Abigail just... Listen, I can't swipe right with Abigail, but that doesn't mean that Yaadman is going to swipe left. Oh, no. Instead, Yaadman is going to swipe up. You know what that means? Abigail get the super like. And so Yaadman can't smash Abigail. Instead, we're making love. Boy, someone wanna just while, alright? So next up we have Minister Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw. Me da feel a way for no say me I do dugu and hanky panky in the house of the Lord. You get me? I say because I feel like that's where Marion Hall is all the time. And there is nothing wrong with that. No. You see me? I say. And when she was Lady Saw, she was the queen of the dance hall and all these things. I'ma feel like Lady Saw would I make one piece of sugar mama and teach me things what me not even know what some young girl can't do. But that is no longer the reality. So respectfully, I would have to pass. And Madam Marion Hall, God bless you, my dear. Next up, we have the lovely Naomi Cohen. Oh my goodness, Naomi. Naomi just have a sweet girl next door vibes about her. She just, oh. You know, nowadays on Twitter and Instagram, I have like a lot of girls just, you know, posting their assets with a completely unrelated caption. Naomi have a sexiness about her that is just not in your face. You get me? I say, like, she's just so cute and just, oh my goodness gracious, she just looks so scrumptious. Wait, no, Bill.
Oh yeah.
So one of my brethren, they met Naomi Cohen and he told me, Yaadman, you know, say Naomi smell good, dog. I say, what? People them, if you never know, Yaadman is a man of smell. Alright? A smell good woman is a pretty woman. That's the way they for me. The way how the man just described the smell to me. Him said to me, say, Naomi is the best smelling woman he has ever smelled in his life. Yaadman won't smell Naomi. Put up Naomi on the board. We're swiping right. Alright, Naomi, we're smashing. Next up, we have Shenseea, of course. You don't know. Listen. I don't know how, like when I know say Yaadman love Shenseea. Listen to me. Shenseea. Oh my goodness gracious, super. Look just super Shenseea, dad. I couldn't just mention Shenseea one time. Are you crazy? Like, you have to understand the love of my for Shenseea. Put up Shenseea back on the board. It's me, I said Shenseea, we're swiping right again. I'm ready for you.
Baby, wait for quarantine and chill.
Alright, so right now we have Tanaania. Now you see the thing about Tanaania, and tell you the God truth, I have a thing for women with a sense of humor. You see me, I say, usually, as an occasional comedian, sometimes my thing is, you know, sometimes I like to make, you know, my target, you know, some girls laugh. You see me, I say, once I get them laughing, hey, you don't know, say, Yaadman, I can run in. I feel like Tanaania will have that effect on me. I feel like Tanaania gonna have me laughing. Next thing you know, my pants are gonna wet up like cheese or peas. Tanaania, what you doing to me? I feel like I couldn't smash Tanaania. I feel like if I was in an intimate position with her, she would smash me. I think we'd swipe her over to the right. Is it me? I said, yeah. Me love off that girl. That girl have a buzz about her and yo, Lila Ike. Oh my God. Listen, for the longest while I've been looking at Lila Ike and I'm like, yo, it's more than just some reggae girl with some roots and ital energy about her, you know. Like yo, she pretty, you know. She pretty, you know. Like Lila Ike just, whoo. But me for pass. And the reason why me for pass, Lila the post up one picture there, you see. And there's a picture. Lila, what up on your left hand? I know you don't really put too much of your personal life and business on your social media, you know, but I want to pay your left hand. Lila, you broke my heart with that one. I can't smash the people them on. Sorry, Lila, but if you're single though. But as of right now, me look upon something there and it look like one of them, you know, oh look at this ring moment. You see me? Like you know what, girls, ladies, you know what I talk about. You know what Yaadman I talk about. You know them picture there where when women are engaged or married and they just put, you know, they just post pictures randomly and they just have them ring out in the video, in the picture just so. And them talking about, you know, the scenery was going on right here, so, but the ring is just right here. That's the type of vibes that I get right as a Leela. Broke my heart to that one, yeah, man. I'm a can't smash girl who broke my heart, I'm sorry. We're swiping left. But if you're single though. Remember I tell you, say, I just have a thing for women with a great sense of humor. It's a ChineyK is hilarious in our real life. Is it me? And ChineyK, oh, ChineyK. Confession, ChineyK was probably my first Instagram crush. When I just started Instagram and I came across ChineyK, I'm like, yo, that girl is pretty. Is it me? And ChineyK has like the perfect balance between she knows how to be well put together and professional to completely wild and unhinged with her pom-pom picture them in her bikini. But alas, nowadays I can't even comment on ChineyK's pictures without she threatening to report with the Shenseea. Area said no, ChineyK, you're a brethren, but God no, boy. It's a ChineyK they put up one video where she a bust her wine. I miss the waistline there for ChineyK. Jesus, please. Listen. ChineyK, you're my brethren. But me that breed you. ChineyK, we're swiping right. We're smashing. Now we have a Miss Avani, right? For the people who don't know Avani is one of them people where have like a confessions page for Instagram where you send in her, your confessions, and then she'll post them up, hide the ID and all them something there. All them slackness there. You get me? I say like whole heap of slackness and them something there. Them say Avani is also the person who allegedly hacks all the Jamaican social media personality page them. You see me? So hear me I say no. For Miss Avani, right? I am going to swipe right, just so you don't hack my page them. Alright, please. Alright, Miss Right. We're good? Don't hack me, please. And last but not least, people them, we have Shenseea. Oh my goodness gracious. Shenseea have my week. Shenseea have my week like 7 days. Some of my brethren them call me fortnight. The way how Shenseea have my week. Them call me fortnight become a 2 week. Alright, listen. Shenseea. Oh. I don't think you're gonna understand the love of Yaadman after Shenseea. Put up Shenseea upon the board. You see me? Shenseea, Yaadman smashing. Yo,
Brother.
What?
3 times you call Shenseea name.
What do you mean say that was the 3rd time I put up Shenseea?
Shut up, no fortnight.
Seriously? Yeah, I think Yaadman has a problem. Yo, people them, you don't know says Yaadman Etan. Make sure to subscribe and keep the vibe and all them thing there. And that was my very extra smash or pass video. Comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Tell me, who would you, want to do the, do the hanky-panky with, you see me I say? Please be safe in a quarantine. You see me? And I know that quarantine has us mad and quarantine has us, very, safe word for YouTube. Quarantine has us, in a position where we want to do the dogo a lot more, especially since we have to be socially distancing and, keeping ourselves safe and healthy. You get me? So please, find safe ways to relieve yourselves, alright? This was just one of those videos to get, some of that frustration out there because, yeah. Alright, people then big up on their damn self. You don't know, say Yaadman Etan. And we are out.